Today, let's talk about how to migrate your host and workload to VergeIO using Cirrus Migrate Cloud. First, if you don't already know, Cirrus Migrate Cloud is a patented solution created to help customers move data from anywhere to anywhere with intelligently minimized workload disruption. Compute migration is a migration feature specifically designed to migrate not just your data, but also your entire operating system and applications from one platform to another. Let's walk through how CMC does it. First, we will deploy Cirrus Migrate Cloud on your Linux or Windows hosts. This host can be a physical server or a virtual machine from any hypervisor, no matter it is on-premises or cloud. And our source can be any block storage, including RDM or other storage directly attached to the VM, which does not rely on VMware snapshot capabilities. Next, Cirrus Data Cloud will use its VergeIO integration to create a new virtual machine and start your live migration non-disruptively. CMC will also prepare your compute network storage environment and all other necessary remediation steps automatically for you. When you are ready to cut over, since CMC has already kept your data synchronized on VergeIO, all we need is to shut down the source and power up the VM in VergeIO. And with Cirrus Data's purpose-built data mobility as code automation platform, MigrateOps, you can now set up your operation and complete all these tasks with just one click. To learn more about MigrateOps, or if you'd like to request a full demo on migrating to VergeIO, please head over to our YouTube channel or visit our customer center for the most up-to-date KB articles on this topic.